family will be properly introduced by no other than my favorite wife, Melen De Jesus.
Good evening to everybody. At later part of this program, you will be hearing some messages from all of us, and you will be seeing us dance and sing in the production number. So at this point in time, I would like to introduce to you the children and the grandchildren of Papa Feeling and Mama Siling. So before I do that, so introduce ko muna yung puno. Dr. Filimon V. De Jesus is a doctor of medicine, graduated from the University of the Philippines. So si Papa, after graduating from medicine, he moved here in Mindanao, specifically in Cotabato City. So after establishing his practice, he moved back to his hometown in Kalumpit, Bulacan to marry Mama Siling. So they were married at UP Chapel in Diliman, Quezon City on June 21, 1951. So Mama graduated with a degree in Bachelor of Science in Education at the University of the Philippines. So as I call your name, so please come in front to be recognized. Eldest in the family is Dr. Filimon V. R. De Jesus Jr. He was born July 6, 1953, Doctor of Medicine, University of the Philippines, and he is a fellow Royal College of Physicians in Urology. So currently, he has his own practice in Ottawa and staff with the Ottawa Hospital, clinical lecturer, University of Ottawa. He is married to Dr. Corazon Cosco De Jesus, Doctor of Medicine, fellow Royal College of Physicians, specialty in psychiatry, also a private practitioner in Ottawa, Ontario. So they are blessed with 6 children. The eldest is Kathleen Maria Corazon De Jesus. Actually, Kathleen is the oldest grandchild of Mama. So she graduated magna cum laude Sheridan College, and she is an awardee in her degree in sports injury management. So currently, she has her own private practice in Ottawa, and she is married to Daniel Gauthier, and they have 1 child, Marcus. Second child is Christopher Filimon C. De Jesus Jr., 29, Bachelor of Science in Human Kinetics, magna cum laude, 4th year medicine in University of Ottawa, Canada, and he is applying for orthopedic surgery. The third child is Anthony De Jesus, Bachelor of Science, Honors in Psychology, Carleton University, and currently 4th year medicine, University of the Philippines, Manila. Next is Christine De Jesus, 24 years old, Bachelor of Science in Physiology at McGill University, Montreal, Canada. She recently finished her master's degree in physiology at the same university. She was a co-researcher in 2 journals in her work in diabetes at McGill University. Next is Josephine C. De Jesus, 21.
Come on, Faye, you have to go.
So Joe is Bachelor of Science in Nursing, University of Ottawa, magna cum laude. And the youngest, she's with us tonight, Rosemary Celestina De Jesus, 17 years old, high school graduate at St. Joseph High School in Ottawa, and will pursue a nursing career and has been accepted 1st year at the University of Ottawa, Ontario, Canada. Okay, there you are. This is the family of Kuya. Okay, second child is Crisanta Palafox. So Ate graduated also from UP and she's a retired executive of GlaxoSmithKline. She is married to Dr. Perfecto Palafox and currently Chief of Medicine at the Cardinal Santos Medical Center. He is a cardiologist. The eldest in the family is Dr. Charmaine Marta Palafox. She's a doctor of medicine, completed her residency at Cardinal Santos Medical Center and now a diplomate in internal medicine. Second child is Vincent Patrick, wala siya tonight, a fourth-year student with a double degree in law and MBA program at De La Salle. Next is RJ, graduated from Ateneo de Manila University with a degree in Masters in Political Science. Youngest is Charlene Palafox, second year medicine at the UERM. Okay, that's the family of Crisanta. Okay, the third child is Engineer Alberto Bert de Jesus. He's an electrical engineer, fifth placer, electrical engineer licensure examination. Married to Susan Ocampo, Bachelor of Science and Commerce in Scholastic College. Dr. Maria Angeline Eldest. She is a doctor of dentistry, UP, Manila. Presently attending 2 clinics in Makati specializing in aesthetic dentistry. Second child is Patricia Margaret, 21, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, cum laude, UP. Currently management trainee with Nestle Philippines, Makati City. And youngest is Patrick Albert de Jesus, third year high school at La Salle Subel, Alabang, Muntinlupa. The fourth and the fifth children of Mama are actually twins. So, bahala na kayo. Lourdes Ondet de Jesus, a Bachelor of Science in Agribusiness, UP Los Baños. She's the manager and co-owner of St. Anthony Press and Ondet's Fast Food. Okay, ang kakambal niya is Bernadette de Jesus Grecia. She's agriculture graduate at UP Los Baños and she's currently employed with the provincial government, Ontario Ministry of Health in Canada. She works as a claims trainer and assessor. So she's married to the late Nazario Grecia. So that's the 3 children, Maria Yola Gabriel Grecia, 22 high school graduate, currently working with communications and married to Eliseo Iran, and San Anthony Tonton. Second child is Adino Rafael Grecia, 19 years old, graduate, currently working full-time at Vangel International. And the youngest son is Nazario Miguel Grecia, 16 years old, grade 10 at Mother Teresa High School. De Jesus, graduated from UP Los Baños with a degree in Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, major in Animal Science, and currently the Vice Mayor of the City of Coronadal. He is married to Bernadette Villaflor, BS Agriculture, major in Animal Science, UP Los Baños. Children, oldest is Chicoy Bernard Vincent de Jesus, BS Management, Ateneo de Davao University, presently employed at St. Anthony Press, and she is married to Melissa Diaban, graduate BSED major in English, and currently with DSW Region 12. They are blessed with 2 kids, Melvin and Matthew. Next son is Victor Benedict Vincent, BA Tau Tau, BA Management at Ateneo de Davao University and also graduated at Strathmore University in Canada and presently taking up nursing at Brokenshire College, Davao City. Next is Janela Ann De Jesus or Janelle, Bachelor of Science in Nursing at San Pedro College, just graduated recently. And the youngest is Brian Vale De Jesus, 3rd year nursing at San Pedro College, Davao. Attorney Jose Jojo R. De Jesus, AD Economics at UP Diliman, finished law at Ateneo de Davao University. Presently employed with the Department of Justice as prosecutor based in Pulumulok, South Cotabato. He is married to Maria Teresa Bergado, BS Economics, UP Diliman, manager of the DDP KR Roma Project Management, Capital of Dipolog City. So eldest son is Jose Marie JJ De Jesus, taking up sports science at UP Diliman. And he is the first coach of the Team Philippines to the 2009 World Hip Hop Competition come July 29 in Las Vegas, Varsity Division. So he is currently working as PE teacher at Xavier School and dance coach at Holy Spirit School, member of the Maneuvers Dance Troupe. Okay, next is John Michael De Jesus or John. Bachelor of Science in Nursing, graduated at Dipolog Medical Center. Presently employed in the same school as clinical instructor. Pursuing Masters in Nursing at Misamis University and married to Annalyn Ombalino or Yaya. Also a registered nurse with 1 child, Aliyah Monique. Next is Juan Marie Catan, Bachelor of Science in Nursing, graduated at Silliman University. And she is married to Jotham Catan, also a registered nurse. Both are working under the Department of Health and taking up Masters in Arts at Nursing at NDMU. Next is James Marvin De Jesus, 4th year college, Bachelor of Science in Accountancy at Silliman University, Dumaguete City. And youngest is J.R. Jose De Jesus, 2nd year college, taking up Hotel and Restaurant Management, Asian College of Science and Technology, Dumaguete City. And the 8th child in the family is Dr. Daniel Danny De Jesus, Doctor of Dentistry, University of the East Santa Mesa, and presently owns and attends 2 clinics in Vancouver, Canada. He is married to Sharon Rodriguez De Jesus, BS Economics, University of the East, assists and manages the dental clinic. Son Charles Daniel De Jesus, 20 years old, a graduate of film school, currently full-time student taking up financial management. And the youngest is Carmela Dawn Mimi De Jesus, 16 years old, high school, grade 11, Vancouver, Canada. Is the most favorite and successful. Ano? Favorite, kasi ako lang yung junior in the family. And ako lang yung member of the family that was able to carry on with the tradition na nagkaroon ng twins in the family. Kasi sila mama, sa side niya, may twin siya na kapatid, tapos sa side din ni papa, meron din siyang kapatid. So, sa family namin, may twin din kami si Det and Ondet, tapos ako lang ang nagkaroon ng twins in the family. Okay. So, I'm a doctor of veterinary medicine and currently manages my husband's optical clinic. And I am married to Dr. Roland Alahar. So our children, Adrian Paulo, grade 5 at Coronado Central Elementary School, SPED. And Arvin Miguel, grade 5, KCS. And the youngest, Alexandra Isabel D. Alahar, grade 4, KCS, SPED. Family is Ricardo Ricky De Jesus. He is a medical technologist, graduated at University of Santo Tomas, but currently working as revenue IT analyst, developer, and computer programmer with the Revenue Canada. He is married to Maria Victoria de la Cuesta, a registered nurse in Ottawa. So, eldest daughter is Megan De Jesus, grade 7 at St. Joseph High School. Second child is Michael D. De Jesus, grade 5 at St. Emily's School. And the youngest grandchild of Mama, Matthew De Jesus, grade 3 at St. Emily's School. So ladies and gentlemen, the children and the grandchildren of Mama Celine. Thank you very much.